Hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and welcome back to my channel. It is time for the September 2022 Kraftin Kimmie release. So today I'm going to show you all the cards that I created for release along with the new products. So let me go ahead and move these out of the way, and we'll get started with the products first. First up we have, let me get this out so you can see a little bit better, maybe that doesn't. The Autumn Pumpkin Stamp Set has Fall Y'all, Harvest Blessings, Thankful for You, and Autumn Greetings, and those fun pumpkins. A great set for autumn. Then there was the Cozy Christmas Kids. Excuse my mess there. It's great for building scenes, or you can use them individually. Deck the halls, maybe your home be filled with magic. 'Twas the night before Christmas. Then this cute one, Santa's Village. You can create all kinds of fun Christmas holiday scenes with that, dashing through the snow, and get some reindeer and Santa with his bag of toys, and an elf, and a candy shop, and the sleigh barn. And then the last stamp set is Perfect Poinsettias. Merry Christmas, Merry and Bright, Holly Jolly Christmas, Silent Night, and Happy Holidays. And you can build your poinsettias however you want. I think this is one of the first poinsettia stamp sets I really have owned, and I really enjoyed it and like it and can't wait to use it some more. And then we have two stencils. This one is the Perfect Poinsettia stencil. Kind of hard to see. It is a layering stencil, so you can do the flowers and then do the leaves and little dots on top. And then the Fantastic Fractals stencil. This one is super duper fun. And then the new ink, and the last ink for right now for Kraftin Kimmie is Original Olive. And then there is an add-on bundle. As a design team member, I only get bits and pieces, but it has some tags, some washi tape, some puffy stickers, some ephemera, and it was super fun. And then let's get on to my cards that I created for this release. This uses that Fantastic Fractals stencil, several different inks from Kraftin Kimmie, and that Autumn Pumpkin stamp set. And I stamped it on the inside. And it says Autumn Greetings. Next up was the Cozy Christmas Kids. Created a nice little scene. I used some of that add-on bundle. It says We Wish You a Merry Christmas. And then on the inside it says May Your Home Be Filled with Magic. Next up I used that poinsettia layering stencil in the background there, and this is from the add-on bundle, and this is from Santa's Village. So there's a little elf and those reindeer, and it says Merry Everything. There's that on the inside. And then from the Perfect Poinsettias stamp set, I created this one. I added some stickles to the little berries and to the insides. I really love how elegant that one turned out. And then these are a sneak peek. I haven't shared them yet. This will go up tomorrow. Those autumn pumpkins again. Thankful for You. And that is a die from Gina Marie Dies. I am loving their dies. And then my last card, this will be up on Wednesday for an Instagram hop using those Cozy Christmas Kids. 'Twas the night before Christmas. She's all excited there. And there's on the inside. So there are my cards from the Kraftin Kimmie release for September 2022, along with all the products. Everything is available now. The Perfect Poinsettia layering stencil sold out at the in-person retreat recently. There are more on order. I'm not sure if they're going to be a pre-order or you just have to check back, but they are definitely on order, so don't be worried if it's out of stock when you go to place your order for these new goodies. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you will take time to maybe subscribe if you like what you see. Click the bell for notifications. And until my next video, have an amazing crafty day. Bye.